Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss important MCQs from set 7. So let's start. Question number 1. The term stream of consciousness was taken from the book A. The Human Mind, B. The Mind of Man, C. The Principles of Psychology, D. Moods of Human Behavior. Answer is C. The Principles of Psychology. Question number 2. G.S. Fraser's The Golden Bough focus on A. Images, B. Symbols, C. Metaphors, D. Archetypes. Answer is B. Symbols. Question number 3. Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman relies for its tragic seriousness on the fate of A. Willy Loman, B. Estragon, C. Vladimir, D. Lucky. Answer is A. Willy Loman. Question number 3. The character Leopold Bloom makes an appearance in the novel A. The Sound and the Fury, B. Ulysses, C. To the Lighthouse, D. The European. Answer is B. Ulysses. Question number 4. Who of the following authors represents the Sri Lankan diaspora? A. Cyril Davidin, B. Arnold H. Itauru, C. Michael Ondaj, D. M.G. Bhasanji. Answer is C. Michael Ondaj. Question number 5. Australian Aborigines receive a sympathetic treatment in A. Les Moure, B. Gawain Harwood, C. Judith Wright, D. Eddie Hope. Answer is C. Judith Wright. Question number 6. Margaret Atwood's survival makes a case for A. Canadian literary studies, B. Canadian nationalism, C. The future of Canadian literature, D. The past of Canadian literature. Answer is B. Canadian nationalism. Question number 7. V.S. Naipaul's latest book is A. The Mystic Masseur, B. A Bend in the River, C. Among the Believers, D. Half Alive. Answer is D. Half Alive. Question number 8. Which of the following books by Salman Rushdie refers to the 15th century Spain as a starting point? A. Harun and the Sea of Stories, B. The Moor's Last Sigh, C. Shame, D. Grimace. Answer is B. The Moor's Last Sigh. Question number 9. Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf is written by A. Arthur Miller, B. O'Neill, C. Edward Albee, D. Tennessee Williams. Answer is C. Edward Albee. Question number 10. Imamu Amri Barkha is A. A Caribbean writer, B. An Arab writer, C. An American writer, D. A Sri Lankan writer. Answer is C. An American writer. Question number 11. The miscellany was published from A. Sahitya Academy, B. The Writers' Workshop, C. Pen, D. Dioinalu. Answer is B. The Writers' Workshop. Question number 12. Who of the following writers recreates the life of the Yoruba community? A. Derek Walcott, B. Ol Soyinka, C. China Achebe, D. Okot. Answer is B. Ol Soyinka. Question number 13. Who of the following white female authors are sympathetic to the cause of the blacks? A. Margaret Drabble, B. Nadine Gordimer, C. Muriel Spark, D. Jean Reyes. Answer is B. Nadine Gordimer. Question number 14. New criticism considers text as A. Cultural construct, B. Linguistic construct, C. Historical construct, D. Autotelic. Answer is D. Autotelic. Question number 15. Mythology was written by A. Ronald Barthes, B. Jacques Derrida, C. Homi K. Bhabha, D. Ernest Dawson. Answer is A. Ronald Barthes. Question number 16. The word catharsis signifies A. Pontification, B. Purgation, C. Personification, D. Publication. Answer is B. Purgation. Question number 17. The rejection of universalism is a mark of A. Deconstruction, B. New historicism, C. Structuralism, D. Postcolonial criticism. Answer is A. Deconstruction. Question number 18. Eliot's theory of objective correlative appeared in A. The Voices of Poetry, B. Tradition and the Individual Talent, C. Hamlet and His Problems, D. The Metaphysical Poets. Answer is C. Hamlet and His Problems. Question number 19. Sprung rhythm is an example of A. Verse, B. Syllable, C. Meter, D. Stress. Answer is A. Verse. Question number 20. More is thy due than more than all can pay is an example of A. Weekending, B. Inversion, C. Alexandrine, D. Extrasyllable. Answer is B. Inversion. Question number 21. Unrhymed metrical composition consisting of 5 iambic measures in each line is called A. Rhyme royal, B. Run on lines, C. Blank verse, D. Spenserian stanza. Answer is C. Blank verse. Question number 23. Verse stories dealing with chivalry, knight, errantry, enchantment, and love are known as A. The epic, B. The ode, C. The ballad, D. The metrical romances. Answer is D. The metrical romances. Question number 24. He is a citizen of no mean city is an example of A. Periphrasis, B. Prolopsis, B. Tautology, D. Litotes. Question number 25. Select the matching pair. A. Sohrab and Rustam, Arnold, B. The Princess, Browning, C. Hughes, Salwan, Moberly, Hopkins, D. The Excursion, Shelley. Answer is A. Sohrab and Rustam by Arnold. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.